like to welcome you to the Pasinaya Open House Arts Festival of the Cultural Center of the Philippines, now on its 9th year. And alongside the ambassador, we are also honored with the presence of the Press Counselor of the People's Republic of China Embassy, Mr. Pan Feng.
The country's largest one-day performance arts festival goes Chinoy in 2013.
I now declare Pasinaya 2013 officially open.
Companies ay mula sa Association of the Philippine Volunteer Fire Brigades.
Ballet Philippines, found in the 1969 by Alice Reyes, who was born of Canadian Art and Cultural Center of the Philippines, Ballet.
The Bayanihan Philippine National Folk Dance Company is the oldest dance company in the Philippines. The company was founded in 1957 by Helena Z. Benitez and debuted May 27, 1958 at Expo. The Philippine Ballet Theater is a preeminent classical ballet company in the Philippines. The Philippine Ballet Theater was founded in 1987 out of an alliance of leading dance groups. It quickly won recognition as a resident ballet company of the Cultural Center of the Philippines. The Philippine Ballet Theater pursues the goal of bringing the art of dance to the general appreciation of
Annual Centers. This annual Centers was organized by national artist, Professor Anthony O. Makakacha. The choir is one of the world's most awarded, having consistently won.
the local team. The Philippine Bunapier Academy Diabolo team always draws crowds whenever they perform. Watch out for the various tricks that takes years to perfect. And take note, mga high school students mo lang ang ating mga performers. Okay, the Philippine Buddha Fair Academy Lion Dance